I'm so excited to show you this product that is amazing for this season of the year. If you have cold every time in your foods, you should buy these boots. Let me show you. Came in this box and are black. Look at this, are beautiful. This design is perfect and the soles are resistant, have a beautiful design too. Let's go open it. Have this zipper that is resistant because are made of excellent materials, and in the inside have this comfy and warm material that is perfect for cold. But that's not the best part of these boots. Let me show you something. Have this Velcro bag that is for a battery that you can install easy, and came right here in this little box because your boots can be more warm with this battery. Came with his charger and the cable for the both batteries that came right here. Keep your foot warm every time, in any place, inside or outside, even in the snow, because these boots are waterproof. So let me show you. Have this button right here in the Velcro part that you can just push and control the temperature of your boots. These have 3 levels of temperature. You can use that whatever you want. This battery can last 4 hours and a half, so much time. That is perfect. As you can see, it's so easy to put the battery. Let's push the bottom in this one, and already the 2 bolts are in the same temperature, and the best part are that your boots heat so quickly. Let's go try it. It's warm already. The other part that is perfect of this boot are that the soles are anti-slip, so you can walk with security in any part. My foot are already warm, it's so perfect. And the best part is that you can use it too in your home daily, or to be outside like in the market or in your work, in your office. You can use it every day, every time, because are perfect and you can combine it with any outfit in any occasion. So let's see.